This clinic has restored my hope. My name is Wayne Berry, and I live here in Boise. I love what you guys are doing. I'm so glad that I found you guys. Well, to give a little background on my story, I've had a lifetime of concussions. Started out very young, trying to pole vault when I was a kid, landing on the back of my head. Had a little bit of amnesia from that incident, but I had a traumatic brain injury when I was 9, which was pretty serious. Since that time, I've probably had close to 7 or 8 concussions. And really the manifestation of my issue is my headaches. I've suffered since then with almost daily and constant head pressure, or what I've been diagnosed with, migraines, by several different doctors. My life before these headaches, I was active, full-time work, skiing, golfing, fishing, hiking, those kind of things. My initial reaction was that, this is a temporary situation, I'm going to work through it. That was not the case. I started taking ibuprofen, Tylenol, that kind of regimen, and that didn't seem to help much. I still maintain, a positive attitude that someday I'm going to work through this, and someday I'm going to wake up and my headaches are going to be gone. I haven't reached that stage yet, but it's getting much better. I'm feeling very confident on this program that I'm on now. My biggest concern, my biggest fear is that this will progress into, either a prolonged, constant issue, or that they get worse. My family, my wife, are very concerned. It's been a real difficult road. I've seen big changes while I'm here doing treatments, major changes with how my brain feels after our sessions. I first saw the clinic's information online. I think it was Instagram, which I love Instagram, I never experienced these feelings of optimism and relief in my previous encounters. The probes and the skull cap and all that stuff, gave me a great deal of confidence. Like I mentioned that I was very skeptical coming in. I lost my skepticism after that. I mean, this is more scientific, it's more cerebral, and something that I can relate to more. I am excited to share this and, my continued, recovery and my continued, experience with the clinic. I'm anxious to share that.